to stand in front of a piece of cloth and it being like a mirror that is staring back at you is an unbelievably difficult position to be in sometimes. It's a difficult position. I used to, when I used to have my big studio, I used to lock the door and just walk away. It's too hard. Too freaking hard, man. Too hard. Sit there and try and create this outpouring of emotion and energy. You can't try. It either comes or it doesn't. Good paintings have to have teeth so they can bite you. And the meaning of biting somebody is that when somebody looks at the work, it really has to pull them in. Otherwise, what's the point? I'm an advocate for pushing paint around, and building up surfaces and then detracting them. So all these things are incredibly important to me as a painter. Some people, they don't realise, how much of me is actually present. I know they sit there and they think, oh, you did paint these paintings, but they don't realise that my work is not about, some theoretical, it doesn't come from some theoretical base. It's purely a comment. It's purely something that just pours out of me, and I don't sit around and premeditate and think it. It's a reaction. It's something that I just get on and do. But the whole notion of texture being important, yeah, it is. It's totally important to me because that kind of gives me that depth that I yearn for, the depth on the surface. My work is very physical, extremely physical, and that's what's important to me. The works have to be physical. I have to feel like I've, totally, bled for them. I dance down the line and then I jump out and I go, I've got you. I've got the painting by the scruff of the neck, and I just let it go. And that's when the magic happens.